Welcome to Kids Knowledge Patch! Welcome to our block building counting adventure. Today we will build and count from 1 to 10 using blocks. Here's number 1. 1 red block tower. 1. Now number 2. 2 orange block stacks. 2. 3. 3 yellow pillars of blocks. 3. 4 is next. 4 green blocks make the number 4. 4. Here's 5. 5 light blue blocks in a row. 5. 6 is here. 6 indigo blocks. 6. Number 7. 7 purple blocks shaped like a 7. 7. 8. 8 pink blocks create the number 8. 8. 9 is next. 9 brown blocks shape the number 9. 9. And finally 10. 10 blocks in rainbow colors making 1 and 0. 10. Wow! You built and counted from 1 to 10 using blocks. Let's look at them together. Wasn't that fun? You can build your own numbers too, and have fun as you count. Now it's your turn, Pari. Grab your blocks and let's count again together. Thanks for counting with us. For even more fun learning adventures, subscribe to Kids Knowledge Patch.